Hi everyone, can you change Instagram story size? Now I will show you how to do it. First of all, open your mobile setting and tap to the search bar and search the display size. Now you can adjust display size. Now you can open your Instagram and you can see the size of your stories will be changed. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.